Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Dandi Ahmad Noval Adlian Rif from class 2B. Student ID 152512006. Today, I will present my comparative analysis report title Comparative Analyzing of Digital Terminology and Online Reading Strategy. In this presentation, I will compare two academic journals to explore how digital technologies shape our information management and online reading comparison. This is my PowerPoint di title Comparative Analysis of Digital Terminology and Online Reading Strategies. Let's begin with the introduction. The reason for selecting these two journals is that they both address information technology and digital transformation. In this digital era, our challenge is understanding how digital tools influence human knowledge, language, literacy, therefore, and, and the purpose of this analysis is to evaluate the unique contribution of each journal, map out their similarities and differences, and highlight how their approach complement one another. Next, let's look at the identify of both journals shown in this table. The first journal is titled Introducing JDTL or Journal of Digital Terminology and Lexicography, written by Federica Fazzani and published in 2025 by Padua University Press. Focusing on digital terminology, the second journal is titled The Effect of Reading Strategy Used on Online Reading Comparison, authored by Anita Habuk, Tunzao O, and Andrea Magyar. Published by Elsevier Yunder Helion, focusing on online reading strategies. Now, let's summarize the content of both journal. The first journal, JDTL, explains that terminology is critical for organizing information in a digital world. Using a conceptual editorial method, it highlights open science and multilingual challenge to build a global community of practical. In contrast, the second journal from Helion investigates how online reading strategy affects student comparison based on survey of 4,527 Hungaria students. The statistical result prove that problem-solving strategies have the most significant and positive impact on digital reading comparison. Therefore, teachers are high encouraged to train students in the tes strategis. Next, from the comparative analysis, I found key similarities and difference. For similarities, both journals address the strong impact of digital transformation on knowledge and literary, and both agree on the critical need for new strategy to adapt. However, they differ greatly in their approach. JDTL center on a conceptual and editorial vision regarding digital language and terminology, whereas Welion provides empirical quantitative research backed by real-world statistic data from thousands of student participants. Next, it is also essential to look at the strength and weakness for GDTL. The strength lies in its robust theoretical framework, interdisciplinary vision, and commitment to open science, but its weakness is that it remains conceptual and lack empirical fieldwork data. On the other hand, Helion's strength is its massive sample size of over 4,000 students, providing clear statistical evidence for educator. However, its weakness is that the study is limited to lower secondary students within the Hungarian context. Last, in conclusion, these two journals complement each other remarkable, remarkable well. JDTL provides a firm theoretical foundation on managing digital terminology, while Helion offers practical data-driven evidence on effective online reading strategies for students. Together, they enrich our understanding of literacy challenge in the digital age. Finally, the official reference for Vezani and Habuk are, are listed at the bottom. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I will now open the floor for question. No, no question. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.